it's here from the Working Yarn. Today I'll be showing you how to do a decrease, the single crochet two together. Single crochet in the UK is known as a double crochet, and the abbreviation is SC2TOG. So I have here 2 rows of single crochet. If you need a refresher, or if you don't know how, I'll put in the description below links to know how to do the foundation chain and how to do the single crochet. So let's turn our work and chain 1. Ooh, I split my yarn. So let's do that again. There you go. So the decrease will start off similar to doing a single crochet. And here's where it will differ. Normally we will yarn over, pull through these 2 loops, but we are decreasing 2 stitches to make 1 stitch. So we're going to insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and then pull through. Now we have 3 stitches, 3 loops on the hook. So we're going to yarn over and then pull through all of those 3 loops. And there goes your decrease, your SC2TOG. So let's do that again. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over and then pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Let's keep going. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over and then pull through. Insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over and then pull through. Yarn over and then pull through all 3 of those loops. And that is the single crochet 2 together. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer it. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button below so you'll be kept updated on all the latest videos from the Working Yarn. Wherever you are in the world, happy crocheting. Bye!